Yeah.
Hey you guys, this is Evamaudemua and welcome back to my channel. I would really appreciate if you take a second and just hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you're notified when I upload video. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and I will leave the handle on the screen. So for today's video, I know you've read the title so you know what the video is and would want me to quickly jump to the main part of the video, so I will do that. But I did mention in my life update video that I filmed a Nykaa haul video but I wasn't happy with the outcome, so I deleted the footage. I was just wondering that I know it's too late because I purchased these things before the pandemic. I just wasn't sure if I should put it out because anyways there were no services that were available at that point of time. There's festive season that's going on. There's so much of discount that I'm seeing on Nykaa and I thought why not just show, you know, because if you like something you can just pick it up for yourself. So the first thing that makes the list is this by Nykaa. It's a vanilla and cinnamon hand cream. There are a lot of variants in this. It has 30 ml of product. The MRP here is $275. I don't know for how much I got this and I will put every details on the screen and I will leave all the link for all the products down below. I was very excited when I picked this up because it has cinnamon in this. Everything and anything that has cinnamon I want. I am just trying to finish this up as soon as possible and pick something else because cinnamon was the second last ingredient in this, so you know that's very less and that's why there's no fragrance of cinnamon. So yeah, I was pretty disappointed. It does a good job, okay, in terms of keeping your hands moisturized. I will have to say that the perfume of this is extremely strong, which I did not like, and I don't know, if you're somebody who likes perfume in their creams, then you should definitely try this out. Coming to the next product, it's a foundation by Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Nude Ivory. This has 30 ml of product. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I tend to rave a lot about Wet n Wild because I genuinely love their product and I love their foundation. Now this is not my shade, but I picked this up for my clients. It's a very good foundation and you should try it out. It's got good coverage. It's medium to buildable and I really love it. If you're looking for a foundation that is on a good side of the budget, I think you should pick this up. Now coming to the third product that I picked is this Lashes by Nykaa. It's called The Real Deal and I love the packaging. It is so gorgeous. The MRP is 200 rupees. It's natural length and natural volume and it's very beautiful. I'll just show you how it looks. For the fourth product, now this is my favorite, one of my favorite from this haul. It is a great primer by Nykaa and it is Prep Me Up Face Primer, Tone plus Smoothing plus Perfect. Makeup not only goes on better but also lasts longer. That is on point because it does last longer. It makes your skin very smooth and nice and it does give you that instant blur. Just apply this primer and you see that blur on your face already. I will highly recommend you to pick this up and try it out. Also guys, I want to tell you that these products I have tried on my skin, I have tested on my skin, and so I can tell you that it has worked for me and my skin type is combination sensitive skin. But make sure any and every product that you pick up, no matter who has recommended you that product, you patch test it on your face and see if you're allergic to it. So be careful when it comes to your skin, guys. The fifth product, now this is also a brand that I started to like and it is Swiss Beauty. So affordable brand and it has some amazing products in collection and I feel college students can easily have a good collection if you pick anything from Swiss Beauty. And I will tell you that this brand is making a tiny space in my heart as of now. This is Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. This has 10 grams of product. If you can see, the powder is translucent and they do have this powder applicator. I did use this powder today on my face. It's super lightweight, blends really well in your skin. So I picked two mascaras and these two are from different companies. This was the first time that I was trying out. So the first one is by Rimmel London. It is 100% waterproof mascara. That's how the applicator is. It's quite dense. So the bristles are quite dense as you see, but I like that they're also close together, that it sort of takes all your hair and coats it. I will have to say it doesn't do the job just in one coat, so you sort of have to go in again and again and again. I don't mind it because I love the way it feels.
I just realized that I did not put mascara and I was shooting the whole day and I did not put mascara.
just apply it now. Even you guys can see what it does.
This is where I put 2 coats of mascara, and there's no mascara here, and I also did not curl my lashes. So if you curl your lashes, it's going to open up a lot more. So for the second mascara, this is Lash Renegade by Wet n Wild. I will have to say now, this mascara I have seen a lot on Instagram. I like the tip because it's very good to get in your lower lashes, but I don't like the other section, and that gap sort of, I feel it disrupts the process. I still don't get it, why the hype, you know. So for the next product, it's by Maybelline and it is the Colossal Bold Liner. I don't know if this is waterproof, but I can tell you that as much as I have used this, and I have used it for like hours and hours, there was no smudging, no crumbling and powdering of the liner. I also like the tip of this liner, if you see how fine this is. So it's very good to sort of make those sharp lines, and I like how much space you have to sort of hold it and get a good grip. I have picked 3 lip pencils. Now these lip pencils are so highly pigmented that I don't need a lipstick, so I tend to wear this just like a lipstick and not like a lip liner. I use it as a lip liner when I want to. So this one is Fuschia, the second one is Willow, and the last one is Chestnut. Now for the final product, this is a face and body mist by Ayurveda, and it is pure rose water. It has 50 ml of product in this. I just like it because it's super handy and you can keep it in your purse, won't take much space, and you have something throughout the day to keep you fresh, so I like it. Now because I picked this up by Ayurveda on that day, they gave me a free lavender spray, and now I exactly don't remember the exact name, but I know it was a lavender face and body mist. Now that is something my sister has and it's in her bedroom. It's too late in the night, I don't want to disturb, so I will leave it on the screen for you. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this haul / mini review was helpful. Guys, if you have any review or video requests, please leave it down in the comment section. If you're watching this video and if you haven't subscribed, please do take a minute and hit that red button. And on that note, I am signing off. Don't forget to stand tall, stay strong, and love strong.